Welcome everyone to another Meals for Athletes video. Today we're going to be doing a breakfast option, and for this we're going to be doing a bacon, egg, and avocado on an English muffin. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get alerts on all the latest content from Save Sports Network. First we're going to set our frying pan over medium heat. We're going to crack an egg into the pan and add some liquid egg whites for a little extra boost of protein. And while the egg is cooking, cut open an English muffin and toast to desired toastiness. Once the egg whites have cooked where the outside is solid but there's still some left uncooked, fold the egg to the desired size so that it fits the English muffin, and cook it until the remaining egg whites are cooked, but the egg yolk is still soft, and then remove from heat. Add bacon to the hot pan still on medium heat. Once the English muffin is toasted, open avocado and spoon desired amount onto one side. Use a fork to smash the avocado and season with desired seasonings. We recommend garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little bit of salt. Flip the bacon after about 3 minutes and cook until desired crispiness is achieved. Once the bacon is done, remove to a paper towel and let the excess oil drain off. Layer the egg and bacon onto the English muffin with the avocado mash and viola, a lovely breakfast sandwich. And this is a great breakfast option to get you started and fueled for the beginning of the day. We hope to see you next time for another Meals for Athletes video. Bye now.